spoiled being thrown around, but I'm inclined to believe it. We can admit and hold ourselves accountable. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Naomi and this is The Real Naomi B, where we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. In today's video, I want to start off with a disclaimer or whatever you call it. This is not to brag about anything. I don't think I need to brag. People who feel the need to brag is because they're not used to getting anything. I am extremely blessed and I own it. Coming to you from my echoey closet. All the things that I've accumulated from whether it be birthday gifts or just things that I've picked up myself. I have been shopping and I love it. It was my birthday month. I was buying things throughout the month. So now I have a small collection of things that I mentioned that it is currently 2:40 in the morning. So we'll get to it. All right, where do we start? I've been holding out, and trust me, I've wanted to wear her coming in strong from Zara. You know what, let's take the tag off. I don't know why I'm like this. I like to take the tag off when I'm going, like I'm about to use it. This is an absolute shame. Can you believe that I cannot find a scissor? This is a kitchen chair. And it's really a shame because I've been into the beauty supply store several times. I should at least have some shears in my closet on my vanity. Why do we have the kitchen shears? Only doing the most about it because one, it's a birthday gift from my mother. Customized, of course. We will treat her with respect. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. Nothing at all. Get into the details. Should I say more? I don't think I need to. Thank you, mommy. The next item is going to be these beautiful mules. The color, the hardware that's on it is just so nice. This matte gold detail is just so cute. And the heel, yes, a heel that we love, a respectable heel. I will say though that the leather on it isn't the greatest, and I have kind of roughed her up a bit. So I'm not sure if you can see the scuffs on it. She doesn't look bad from afar, but up close, you know, she looks like she's been through it, but I still love it. I would definitely get these in other colors. I'm gonna hold back because honestly, I don't need it. I have such a nice collection of things that I've been loving. Like I get up in the morning and get dressed and it's not a problem because I feel like I've really collected a group of things that I love. Let me know if you wanna see a shoe collection because I feel like my shoe collection has everything that you will need for life. Just in your everyday life. In my everyday life of possible events, have a pair of shoes that I could safely wear to it and be absolutely fine. So we're dealing with shoes apparently, and yes, absolutely yes. I got these beautiful Slingback flats. I ended up buying the wrong size, and to tell the truth, I got those shoes to wear to Egypt. I could tell that they were a little too small. I don't like when my heel is exactly at the edge of the shoe. I don't play with skates. I need a little bit more. Just a tad bit. I ordered another pair in a bigger size, so I got the 8.5, and it was too small to me, so I got the 9. I figured I would just unbox them with you because, you know, we love an unboxing moment over here. And I don't think I've ever done one like in a video form. No, I've never done an unboxing on my channel before. So this is our very first unboxing. Huh, I love it. Okay, so something fell out. So they came with some, these are like some padded cushion insoles for your instep. That's cute. Okay. Oh, it comes in one of these bags. And here she is. So we're gonna take off this little plastic thing here. Pop her out. you guys. The thing that is different, in my opinion, versus what I've seen on the internet and right now, is that there isn't a logo. Keep your logo. I love this. I love this. Don't get me wrong. I am a label whore at heart. Deep down, I am one. But we are not there financially yet. We are manifesting it with everything in us. Like, are you kidding me? I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. I love them. I love them. Since we're talking about footwear, might as well throw these bad babies in. You've seen them on my channel before. We love it. We love it. These Tommy Hilfiger slides. Fabric on this is so cute. The hints of gold, that nice rich brown color. Oh my God. I've worn them to a crisp, okay? So pardon me and pardon how dirty they are. Tommy Hilfiger ate with these. Left no crumbs. I love these. I love them, I love them, I love them. I love the color, I love the feel, I love the fit. If you're not going swimming and you want to go chill by the pool, perfect pair of slides. Because I wouldn't get them wet because this is kind of like a fabric. A quick little rundown to breakfast, or you know, quickly running into town to do some souvenir shopping. Perfect vacation slides. Definitely wear these throughout summer. Like, these are gonna get used. Now we're gonna move over into apparels. Like, it's from Zara. And again, a win from Zara. I've had misses with Zara, and that's the reason why you hear hesitation in my voice sometimes around Zara. They do have great stuff. I'm not even gonna lie, I love shopping at Zara. I'm not gonna try it on because I just want it to be nice and fresh for the fall. But it's giving end of summer, early fall vibes. That's when I'm gonna bring it out. And plus, it just means that I have things for fall that I don't have to buy. Also, a lovely gift from my mother. Like, she spoiled me this year. The buttons on this is so nice. It's really giving quality. Fabric is nice and soft. I hope it washes well, and that's the only thing I'm afraid of. Love, 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 love. Now we're gonna get into jewelry. I did receive a few really beautiful pieces for my birthday, and I figured I would just share the ones that I have in the closet. I'm not gonna go and search for the ones in my bedroom, but since we're here, I figured I would start off with a very cute stud. My mom also got this for me, and I'm obsessed with it. I love them so much. Like, I'm obsessed with these. I'm not even sure if they're picking up on camera, but they are so freaking pretty. This one is still in a bag, and I decided to leave it in the bag, even though I know what's in it. I decided to leave it in the bag because another unboxing, unbagging, reveal moment. I'm here for it. This one's from Macy's, and this baby pink wristlet is giving. Quick run to the ATM. Oh, we're just running out real quick to grab food. She's giving. I love her. I absolutely love her. The quality is super nice on it too. But then again, I don't expect anything less from Coach. It's a nice soft fabric, and I'll just quickly take out these so you guys can see what's in it. Has a little pocket in the back, and one big pocket here. We love that. We love a quick and easy, throw it in, run it out. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. We're not done. We're not done. We got a fragrance, and we love a fragrance over here. Initially, I was like, how am I gonna pair this? It wasn't a scent that I was familiar with. Gave it some time to set in, and I'm gonna try it right now with you guys. Before I do, the bottle. Yes, ma'am, she's cute. She's a cutie. I can easily travel with this. Easily. So, I'm gonna let it sit on me. I realized when it's, you guys, hold on. It's so pretty. I love that it's not overly sweet. It's still subtle. It's giving lady. It's giving lady. I love that. It also came with, I have so much of these little like purse size hand lotion type vibe, and I don't know where they are. They're in bags, they're in the suitcase, they're all over the place. So I'm so happy that I got this one. This one is going to be my official purse lotion. So if I'm moving anything from a bag, she's coming with me. She's coming with my wallet and my keys. Like all the other gifts that I didn't mention, special thanks to my wife, of course, to my best friend. I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for spoiling me. I know I'm a brat sometimes. You guys know that I'm annoying, but it's with love. You know what I mean? What can I say? That being said, I just want to say thank you one last time to all my friends and family. I really appreciate you guys. And you know Melissa, my baby, is gonna come through every time with the birthday trips and all the little gifts that you shower me with on a daily. I'm always opening boxes because I get super excited for Amazon packages. And get you a person who goes through your Amazon Save for Later and get you random things throughout the week. She really knows her wife's love language, and I'm here for it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.